Namaste my dear sweet children. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am going to teach you in maths the concept of tens and ones. Alright. So come, let's start. As you can see here, I have written here tens and ones, tens and ones. So why I have written over here tens and ones? It is because when we start writing the counting, so it is a rule, we should mention on the top tens and ones. Tens and ones are always written before starting the counting. Alright. So over here I have written tens and ones, tens and ones. Now tens resembles the T, tens resembles the T, ones resembles the O, ones resembles the O. Alright. So tens it is denoted by capital T and ones it is denoted by capital O. Alright. So tens stands for T and one stands for O. Alright. Now we will going to start our counting. And one more thing I wanted to tell you, the single digit numbers will fall under ones place. The single digit number, single means only one digit number will fall under ones place. Alright. So come, let's start. Come on, let's start counting from number 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now we will going to stop here. You know why? Because after 9 two digits numbers will come. After 9 two digits number will come. So I want to give you one example. Let's say you and your friend want to sit on the one chair. So can you both sit on the one chair properly? No. If you both will sit on the one chair, so it may happen sometime you may fall down or sometime your friend will fall down. So two persons cannot sit on the one chair. There has to be a two chairs for two people. Okay, there has to be a two chairs for two people. So my dear children, in the same way, single digit numbers will fall under ones place, but after 9 two digits number will start. So two digit number we have to give them their own place. So two digit numbers we have to give them their separate place. Alright. So my dear children, let's say 10, 10 is there. So of this number, the first number, that is 1, it will fall under tens place and 0 will fall under ones place. Is it clear to you? The number 10, 10, 10. So the first number of this number, that is 1, it will fall under tens place, that is T place, and 0 will fall under ones place. Okay. Now I am going to show you how to make a bundle of 10. Alright. So for that I wanted to show you how we will start. First we will make a bundle of 10. Let's say I am starting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10. So this is my one bundle. So this is one bundle. So one bundle of 10 means 10. Why 10? Because in this one bundle there are 10 pencils. So bundle of 10 will remain the same. So this bundle will remain the same. Will you count again and again like this 1, 2, 3? No, it will get wrong. It is always fixed. Once we will tie this bundle, this will always remain a fixed, a bundle of 10. Okay, so see, I am tying in front of you all, and you can put a rubber band or whatever it is, you can just tie it, this bundle of 10. So see, I am tying it, this bundle of 10. See, I have tied it. I will tie it tightly. Okay. So in this bundle there has to be a 10. You can take any object which is available at your home. So see, I have got ready my bundle of 10. Okay. Now further we will proceed further. Okay. So please watch it very carefully. So this is my bundle of 10. So this is my bundle of 10. Now let's say this is my bundle of 10. So 10 and 1. So 10 and 1. Now I am holding the loose pencil. See, this is fixed, bundle of 10. Now I am holding the loose pencil. So 10 and 1 will make 1, 1, 11. Alright. Now I am holding the two loose pencils. Okay, see. So 10 and 2 will make 1, 2, 12. Alright. Now I am holding the three loose pens. Okay, see, it is in my hand. So 10 and 3 will make 1, 3, 13 because this is fixed. So bundle of 10. So we will say 10 and 3 will make 1, 3, 13. Now 10 and 4 will make 1, 4, 14. Okay. Now 10 and 5 will make 1, 5, 15 because I am holding the 5 loose pencils. Okay. 10 and 6. 10 and 6 will make 1, 6, 16. Okay. 10 and 7 will make 1, 7, 17. Okay. 10 and 8 will make 1, 8, 18. Okay. 10 and 9 will make 1, 9, 19. Okay. Now comes, okay. Now see what will happen. Now it's completed. Okay, it's completed. So it has become two bundle. So it has become two bundle because now in this my hand there are 10 pencils. So now this is my two bundle. So two bundle of 10s will make 2, 0, 20. So two bundle of 10 will make 2, 0, 20. Okay, once again I will repeat. One bundle of 10 will make 1, 0, 10. One bundle of 10 will make 1, 0, 10. So 2 bundle of 10 will make 2, 0, 20. So 2 bundle of 10 will make 2, 0, 20. So in this bundle 10 pencils are there and in this bundle also 10 pencils are there. So 10 and 10 will make 2, 0, 20. Alright, is it clear to you? Now I am going to represent you on this sheet. Okay, so now we will understand. I am going to keep it aside properly like this. Okay, now we will understand on the sheet. Okay, now will you read simply 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12? No, you have to read it like this. 10 and 1 will make 1, 1, 11 as we have seen. Alright, 10 and 2 will make 1, 2, 12. Alright, 10 and 3 will make 1, 3, 13. Okay, 10 and 4 will make 1, 4, 14. 10 and 5 will make 1, 5, 15. Okay, 10 and 6 will make 1, 6, 16. Alright, 10 and 7 will make 1, 7, 17. Okay, 10 and 8 will make 1, 8, 18. Okay, 10 and 9 will make 1, 9, 19. Okay, now comes the next 2, 0, 20. So bundle of 2, 10 will make 2, 0, 20. So bundle of 2, 10 will make 2, 0, 20. Alright, is it clear to you all? And let's now, as we are seeing, there are 2 digits number, so we have to give them their separate place. They cannot come, they cannot fall under one's place. So we have to give them the separate place. So of this number 11, the left side number will fall under 10's place and the right side number will fall under 1's place. Once again I repeat, let's say this is the number 12. So the left side number will fall under 10's place and the right side number will fall under 1's place. Alright, so this was the concept about 10s and 1s up to 2020. Okay, once again I will show you. This is my one bundle of 10. So one bundle of 10 means 10, 10, and this is two bundle of 10, so it will make 20, as we have seen on the sheet also. So this is the concept. You have to read like this. 10 and 1 will make 1, 1, 11, 10 and 2 will make 1, 2, 12, and accordingly you will frame the rest of the numbers. So thank you so much and have a great day ahead.